Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you my new condenser microphone, the BM800. Here's the box. This is what it looks like. It's made in China. Here's all the different microphones. Made in China. Alright, let's get this box open. I got this on eBay for $29 and change. It took about 3 days for delivery. The instructions are in Chinese. These are the instructions. Alright, let's get to the cable here. The cable is about 8 feet 4 inches long. Alright, and it's a 3-pole plug here. This is a 3-pole. Okay, and it's got a locking mechanism to lock the onto the microphone. Here we have the shock mount. This is a shock mount. It's removable. Like so. Okay. And you got the foam piece. Got the battery. And finally, we got the microphone, the BM800. It's solid, it's made out of metal. Alright guys, you're looking at the BM800. This microphone is made out of metal. Looks very solid. This section here is made out of steel. And the back end is made out of aluminum. This is the bottom part of the microphone, and this is how you're going to plug it in. You're going to line it up and lock it in place. It's got a locking mechanism here, and this is a 3-pole plug here that you're looking at. Now I will be doing some videos with this microphone, and I'm going to be using my Sony sport camera, the HDR AS15. Now this microphone will work with the Sony sport cam, which is very good. I'm going to see how good of a quality this microphone is. So I'm going to be doing some testing. Alright guys, let's get it all back together. Let's go ahead and we're going to take it apart, and we're going to go ahead and install the battery. I'm going to go ahead and install the battery, and I'm going to put it all back together. Now remember that this microphone does not have an on and off switch. It does not have an on and off switch. I don't see one at this time. Alright, let's do some testing on this microphone. Alright guys, what you see here, I have several accessories. I have the Galaxy S2. I have 2 adapters. And I have the microphone and a headphone. Now the microphone is a 3-pole, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me put the headphones to the side, and the adapter you're gonna need, the adapter is gonna need 4-pole. So 1, 2, 3, 4-pole. Alright, this is the adapter. It's got a 4-pole. That's what you're gonna need for your smartphone, such as Galaxies and iPhones. Okay, because the 3-pole is not going to pick up the audio. Okay, it fits in properly, it plugs in, okay, everything is fine until you start recording. It's not going to pick up your audio. Now, in order for you to pick up the audio, you're going to need an adapter such as this one, the 4-pole adapter. You connect your microphone, and then you can connect it into your smartphone like so, and then you should be able to pick up the audio. Okay, also you can connect your headphones, so you don't have to keep unplugging it to listen to your voice or your audio recordings. Okay, but in this case, I noticed that the microphone and the headphone, they will not fit properly together. As you can see, they don't fit properly together. There's not a big gap over here, so I'm not going to be using this guy. Okay, unless you have 2 small plugs, you can use it, but right now this is not going to work for me. What's going to work for me today is the Radio Shack adapter. I picked this one up at $5. You can also connect your headphones. Let's try this guy right here. Now we should be able to connect the microphone and the headphones. The red one is for the microphone, and the white one or the green one here is for your headphones. Now you need a 4-pole connector, like I said earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4-pole, for it to work with your smartphone. Alright, now after plugging it in, I'm gonna go ahead and do some testing. I'm gonna use the original recorder from the Samsung Galaxy S2, and I'm gonna go ahead and press record and see what happens. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. I'm using the BM800 microphone. This is the BM800 microphone. This is a test. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Hit stop. And now I'm gonna go ahead and play it for you guys. I'm gonna have to disconnect it and play it for you guys. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. I'm using the BM800 microphone. This is the BM800 microphone. This is a test. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. All right, there's a little bit of a hiss there on the audio. You may have to use some editing equipment to get rid of the hiss noise there. Okay, folks. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and test the microphone straight into the Samsung Galaxy 2. This is a 3-pole. All right, and it plugs in just fine, but it's not gonna pick up any audio. You hit recording, and as you can see, it's not picking up much of anything right now. It's testing 1 2, testing 1 2. It's not picking up much of the audio. Okay, therefore it does not work properly. You can hear some audio, but it's not good. It's probably not even usable for you guys. All right, guys, let's do some testing here. This is the microphone plug, the 3-pole. All right, I'm going to show you that this does not work. I open my original recorder that came in with the phone. Now I'm going to start recording, and I'm going to do some testing. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. As you can see, the bar barely move. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. So this does not work with my Galaxy S2. Now we're gonna go ahead and switch the adapter. Use the adapter, the 4-pole adapter. I'm gonna plug it in, and then we're gonna plug in the microphone into the red plug here, like so. All right, let's see how this works. Testing one. Oh, I gotta do some push the recording button, and here we go. It's working. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the plug and play it for you guys. All right, that's saved into my recording file. I'm gonna unplug it and I'm gonna play it for you guys. And I'm gonna do some testing. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. As you can see, the bars barely move. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. So this does not work with my Galaxy S2. Now we're gonna go ahead and switch the adapter. Use the adapter, the 4-pole adapter. And plug it in, and then we're gonna plug in the microphone into the red plug here. Recording button, and here we go. It's working. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the plug and play it for you guys. Alright folks, there you have it. Alright folks, now I have the BM800 microphone connected straight into my Sony HDR AS15. I'm recording with the Sony Sport Cam at this time, and I'm using the original software that came in with the camera. This is not the upgraded version. This is the original software. And testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. I'm close to the microphone. Testing 1 2. I'm moving the microphone away from my voice. Testing 1 2. Moving the microphone away from my voice. Testing 1 2. Getting closer to my voice. Testing 1 2. 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 Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the foam, see how that works for you guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and try the foam padding to see how it sounds. And I'm testing 1 2. I'm moving the microphone closer to my voice. Testing 1 2. 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 I'm speaking right straight to the microphone. Testing, moving the microphone away. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Alright guys, right now I'm using the built-in microphone that comes in with the Sony Sport Cam. As you can see, I got the microphone unplugged. And testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Alright guys, this is the BM800. The BM800, and I hope this video has been very helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.